Welcome back everyone to the channel. In this video I'll be explaining you how you can use the Bing Map add-ins within your Excel file. So it's a very practical scenario where you would like to visualize your data in form of regional representation. So I'm just opening my product Excel file in web. So it's a very common scenario that you would like to visualize that in charts format, but chart doesn't give that sort of flexibility. I mean, like showing the data in an overlay fashion. So that's why we can use one add-in, that is Bing Map. So to add Bing Map add-in, you need to go to the Insert tab, and under Office add-ins you have to click on it. It should show up one pop-up where you can add the various add-ins. So in search you may find out Bing and add it. So when you add it, it will add in an overlay fashion where that you can just drag and drop per your screen sizes requirement. So I'm just moving it a bit apart so that we can visualize is better. So now it's saying welcome to Bing Maps, but how to get this data available for this Bing Map feed? So you just need to select the entire the area which you want to just get that available under this Bing Map, and you need to click on this pop-up bubble icon. So when you click on it, it automatically bind up entire stuff within the maps. So it usually takes the first column as a location and the second and the subsequent columns as the numeric values, and bind up with in a format of legends, whatever you would provide in settings. So in gear icon, these are the settings. I'll just open that. So under settings we have the map type. You can have a bird eyes view and a normal road map, and under the charts you can select the pie chart or circle. So circle would be just a couple of just two pop-up circles showing you the representation, and the pie chart looks a bit better, so I'm just keeping that. And in legends you can select your colors. If there would be more columns, then you would be getting the same option besides this net profit stuff. And there is one more setting that is related to filter. So this filter, what it does, instead of like selecting all, you can just select couple of them and then can visualize the data of those selected location only. So when you selected it and when you open it, it will automatically get that visualization for you. So I'm just deselecting that, unselecting everything and then reselecting a couple of it. New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and will drag down and just click on apply. Okay, so it's zoomed out my chart and now showing the stuff related to my locations, current selected locations only. So it's a pretty much real time. So if I just unselect, select all everything and then click on apply, it will start showing the entire data. And let's say if I add up one more column to it, let's say Berlin, and with some data, then it should automatically get refreshed. It should start showing that data to it. So if I go there and now I should be seeing the data for Berlin over here in my locations. I should be seeing it. Yep, so I'm seeing that. So this is how this Bing Map can be used, and I'm showing this with your web version. You can also work with your desktop version of Excel the same way. The procedure would be same. So you need to just add the office add-ins and then have that map available for you and bind up your data so that it can start showing that visually. So that's it. I think this could be useful for you. Thank you.